This your girl Oniglo, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you how I made the pocket I used for this two-piece. So this is the pocket, and let's go straight into the tutorial. So the first thing I did was to get my pocket, and this is it. So before then, I've already drafted the design. So I tried this design. I think I didn't like it. I tried this one, didn't like it. So finally agree to something. So to cut your pocket, you have to use a particular measurement for this particular one. So I use 5 inches in length and 4.5 inches in breadth. So that's the measurement I used. So I've gone ahead to cut it using my fabric, and I have also gone color stay to it because I'll be doing the mini embroidery on it. Feel free to use any stay you prefer. Yeah, so all those pattern was not giving me. I kind of like this one, so I'll be working with 2 threads. Yes, and that's yellow and red. First, my birthday sheet, I like red, so maybe that's why. So I just have to just incorporate it into the shoot. So this is my mini embroidery machine and also my buttonhole machine. So this machine allows me to do my zigzag, allow me to sew straight, and also do some design on it. As you can see, I can go do my zigzag here, and these are the designs. And this machine works with 2 needles. So in case you have a design that requires 2 needles, this machine can do it for you. And today I'll be working with K and J for this particular design, and that is the reverse button on the machine. And this is where you just have to just turn it to get to where you want. So if you're looking for J, you just turn it to get to J, and that is it, and that's what you need. But then the 2 needle is that part. So let me just show you how the 2 needle looks like for you if you don't know how it looks like. So this is how the 2 needle comes. So depending on the design you're doing, but this design I'm working with a 1 needle, and I'm working with a particular design which is in J and K. So let me just get it prepped ready. So I've already threaded the machine, so I'll just go straight into it. So I'll be sewing from the back because that is where my drawings are. So preferably just do your drawings at the back to be on the safe side. So I'm just going to be sewing from here. Please don't use a collar stay. You can try and use what's the name of the other stay self. There's a particular stay you can use that embroidery people use, not too thick. I think it will just suit very well. So this is me following the lines in which I have draw down for my design, and that is it. So when I get to the edge, I'll just put my needle down and flip the footer and turn the fabric, then continue in that pace. So that's what I'm going to be doing for all of them, but note I'm going to be changing the needle. If you find this interesting, please just say hi in the comment section. Just want to know if somebody is actually seeing my videos and watching the videos up to now. Then this is the first one, so I'm going to go ahead and get the other designs. So I'm going to continue doing it. So this is the first one being yellow, so I'll go ahead to sew the last one being yellow before sewing using the red one, and that's what I'm going to be doing. You know, one of the good things about this machine is that I don't use it every day, but it's always coming handy in terms of buttonhole. Some nights I'll be working on some things. I just can't go to the place I can do industrial sewing machine, industrial buttonhole, but this one comes in handy and neatly. So if you want me to give you a, a detailed use of this particular machine, please let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate if you could just say, hi, I'm watching your video. That will mean a lot. I mean a lot. So this is me going with the second one. So basically this is it. It's easy to do, and I kind of like it. So this is the two yellow. At first, I think I should have just stayed like this, but no, I need to put red. I just have to put red, and that's when me I'm just going to swap it and change to red. So I've changed to red, so I'll be moving now to K. I'm moving now to K. I've worked with J. Okay, the numbers I'm calling, the alphabet I'm calling is because they are the design, and for one reason my camera guy didn't get to that part for you to see it, but it's actually K. If you work with this machine, that's what I use for the design. So I'm just going to go around the drawings I made, and remember to flip up and turn your fabric and continue sewing. Yes, so this embroidery machine, as I was saying, it's always handy. So if you have money, please invest in just a mini machine like this. It will really go a long way when you need it. So now I'm done with the last one, and let me show you how it looks like. And this is it. But I'm not still feeling it. I'm not feeling it. So I'm not. I just feel like I should have added more. So what can I do? But to just, yeah. So my staffing told me that I should just take it another design up. That's what I'm doing. The thing about being creative is that you're not copying somebody as a fashion designer. It's always easy to just do your thing. So just to make this particular video short and interesting, so we've gone ahead to make the fourth design, and now I want to place it on the two piece. So I'm going to be measuring 11 inches, and that is where my bust point is. You see, 11 inches is where my bust point is. Because I'm going to be working from the front, please do well to use pencil or something that is not going to give a mark. So I prefer working with pencil when I'm working with a light fabric, and I'll just give a very fun, very fade mark in there, so you don't get to see it. So I'm going to now measure 4 inches, but in this case I'll be working with 3.5, because 4 inches is exactly where my nipple is, and that is going to be moving it a bit inside, and I don't want it. So do what works for you. So in my own case, I'm working with 11 inches my bust point, and the distance I just minus 1 inches from my bust span, and that's what I use. So this is me placing it, and I have placed it just to be on the safe side. I'm just going to rule the line to be sure that my lines are straight. Then I can now place it very well to sew it down. But before sewing it down, you have to pin. So when you are pinning, it makes it easy. Now this is why I said you should not use collar stay, because it makes the pocket too heavy for the fabric. The fabric is a linen fabric. It does not have the weight that the collar stay has. So do well not to use collar stay. I have forgotten. There's a lighter one that we use for pockets. Please use that stay if you have to do a mini embroidering on your machine. I'm just saying that works for me. So I wasn't feeling if the line is straight enough. So I'm just going to be using my ruler to be sure that it's straight enough. I just want it to be very precise. And it was. So I'll just go and sew it down. And after doing that, I'm going to now take my time and show you how it looks like. So this is it. I'm pinning it now because I felt like there was an half inches difference in the line, because the line has to be very straight, so it will help me sew it better and neater, because the whole idea is to sew it neater. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Yep, and that is it. I'm still using my I'm probably just going to fast forward this part. So I finally got what I want. Then I'm just going to pin it again. I am a big deal of perfection. So I'm just going to pin it again. And this is me. As you can see, I'm through with the photo shoot, and that's the picture. So thank you for watching. Till I see you next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, just something to encourage me. Ciao, ciao. Later.